Hey everyone, the Poco X7 series will be one of the first major smartphones launching in 2025. The new Poco phones will be part of the brand's mid-range series focusing on performance and flagship-level specifications. This smartphone series will include the Poco X7, Poco X7 Pro, and Poco X7 Pro Ironman Edition. The Poco X7 series is launching in India on January 9th. This is also the global launch of the Poco X7 series. The launch event is scheduled to start at 5:30 p.m. IST and it will be live-streamed. The Poco X7 series is also confirmed to go on sale in India via Flipkart. According to the teasers shared by the brand, the Poco X7 Pro will be priced under 30,000 rupees. In comparison, the Poco X6 Pro launched in India at 26,999 rupees for the base model. We can expect the X7 Pro to also cost around the same. As for the Poco X7, it's expected to cost under 20,000 rupees in India. Poco X7 Pro will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset. The smartphone is confirmed to pack a 550 mAh battery. This is paired with 90-watt fast-charging support. It will also feature a 50MP camera with OIS. This would be part of a dual-camera setup on the Poco X7 Pro. Poco X7 Pro will come with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, and run HyperOS 2.0 out of the box. It will be the first phone to launch with this software in India. The vanilla Poco X7 will feature a dual camera setup with a 50MP OIS sensor. Like the Pro model, this one will also come with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Poco X7 will feature a 1.5K 3D curved AMOLED display with 3000 nits peak brightness, a 120Hz refresh rate, and in-display fingerprint sensor. Poco has revealed the design of its upcoming phones ahead of the launch. The Poco X7 has a dual-tone design, black and yellow, with a leather back. The Poco X7 Pro also comes in the same color combination, but with a different design. As for the Poco X7 Pro Ironman Edition, this phone has a red color and a golden Poco logo and Avengers logo on the back. The Ironman branding is visible in the middle of the back panel. The Poco X7 Pro 5G is a powerhouse packed with features, offering great value for money. Let me know what you think of the Poco X7 Pro 5G in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.